Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to file for unemployment in New York. First, confirm you meet the eligibility criteria, which generally includes being unemployed through no fault of your own and having sufficient past earnings. Next, collect all required personal and employment information, such as your social security number, driver's license, and details from your last employer. Finally, navigate to the New York Department of Labor's official website to start the online application process. This initial preparation ensures a smoother experience. When filling out the application, you'll need to provide your complete personal details, including your social security number and mailing address. Be sure to have accurate information for your most recent employer, such as their name, address, and phone number. You'll also need to specify your start and end dates of employment, along with the precise reason for your job separation. Having these facts readily available will help you complete the form efficiently and accurately. After entering all your information, take a moment to thoroughly review everything for accuracy. Double-check names, dates, and numbers to avoid any delays in processing. Once you are confident, submit your application through the secure online portal. You will receive a confirmation number, which is important to save, along with instructions on how to certify for benefits weekly and what to expect next in the process. To continue receiving unemployment benefits, you must certify weekly, confirming your eligibility and availability for work. It's crucial to accurately report any part-time earnings or changes in your employment status during this period. Failing to do so can lead to overpayments and penalties. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals. Staying informed and compliant is key to a smooth benefit period.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.